In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your position on eToro. If you're ready to exit a trade and want to make sure you do it correctly, this walkthrough will guide you through the process in a clear and simple way. Closing a position means you're ending that trade at the current market price, so it's always a good idea to review everything carefully before confirming. To begin, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where the position is being held. Once you're inside the platform, you'll be able to access your active investments and manage them directly. Next, open your portfolio by clicking Portfolio from the left-hand menu. This section shows all of your current open positions, making it the main place you'll go when you want to monitor or manage your trades. Take a moment to let the page fully load so you can clearly see your assets. Now, find the position you want to close. Scroll through your portfolio and locate the specific asset or trade you no longer want to keep open. If you have several positions, pay close attention to the asset name and trade details so you select the correct one. Once you've found it, click the red Close button next to that position. This will open the closure window, where eToro will display the trade information related to the position you're about to exit. Before moving forward, review the position details carefully. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that you are closing the correct trade and helps you double-check the information shown on screen. Take a close look at the asset, the amount, and any other details that appear in the window. Since closing a position is a trading action, it's always worth pausing for a quick final review before you confirm. When you're ready, click Close Trade to complete the process. This confirms that you want to exit the position, and eToro will process the closure using the current market conditions. Once submitted, the trade should no longer remain active. Finally, verify that the position is closed by checking your open portfolio again. If the trade no longer appears there, that means the closure was successful. This final check is useful because it gives you immediate confirmation that the position has been removed from your active holdings. And that's it. You've successfully closed your position on eToro. Thanks for watching.